Dear students, good morning. In the last video, I was discussing about the powers and functions of Prime Minister of India. And in my last video, I discussed about four types of powers and functions of President. Today, I am going to discuss about the remaining powers and functions of Prime Minister of India. The last discussion point was chief spokesman of the nation. That means the Prime Minister is the leader of the nation, and as such, he is the chief spokesman of the nation. The Prime Minister represents the country in all national and international gatherings. The Prime Minister speaks on behalf of the people of the country. The voice of the Prime Minister is the voice of the nation. That is why so much importance is given in every word spoken by the Prime Minister. His voice on any matter is the final voice. So this was the last discussion point. And another most important function of Prime Minister is the chief administrator of the country. Next point is the chief administrator of the country. That means the Prime Minister is the head of the government. So he looks entire administration of the country if it falls within the jurisdiction of any other ministers. So the Prime Minister coordinates the activities of various ministers and ministries. The Council of Ministers and Cabinet function under the leadership of the Prime Minister. Again, the Prime Minister can interfere in the affairs of any ministry. It is his duty. That means it is the duty of the Prime Minister to see that all the departments of the government are functioning properly or not. The next most important powers and functions of Prime Minister is the chief advisor of the President. Next number is the chief advisor of the President. The Prime Minister is the chief advisor of the President. It is he is also the link between the cabinet and the President. The Prime Minister gives the President to inform about the national and international situation. Again, the Prime Minister supplies necessary information about the present condition of the country to the President. So another most important function of the Prime Minister is leadership of the cabinet. The Prime Minister is the leader of the cabinet. So the cabinet functions under the control of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister can call the meetings of the cabinet and also prepare the agenda of the meeting, as well as he controls it. All the decisions in the cabinet are taken in the name of the Prime Minister. So he played an important role in the cabinet. Next number, that is the another most important functions of the president is the link between the president and the cabinet. The prime minister is the link between the president and the cabinet. It is his duty, that means it is the duty of the prime minister to convey the decisions of the cabinet to the president. No minister can discuss any particular problem to the president without the permission of the prime minister. So again the president can demand any information from the prime minister in the working of the administration. So this is some most important powers and functions that enjoyed by the Prime Minister of India. Dear students, today I give you some homework, and you should submit this homework in my personal WhatsApp number. The first homework or question is, discuss the powers and functions of the President of India. First question is, discuss the powers and functions of the President of India. And next question is, who is appointed the Prime Minister? Discuss the powers and functions of Prime Minister. Another question is, discuss any four what is executive? Discuss any four functions of the executive. So these three questions you should submit in my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.